Hi, it's not that difficult to create Memoji messages like my Memoji minutes. So I will try to show you in 3 easy steps on how to do that. The only thing that you need is an iPhone 8 or newer, good lighting, and your personality. Everything else is easy peasy. Let's check it out. So to begin, open up your messaging app, and what you want to make sure is that you create a thread for yourself, because when you finish recording a Memoji message, it has to be sent via text. So you want to make sure that you're only texting yourself, so you don't interfere with any other threads with anyone in your contacts. So I have one that I've begun with myself. Of course, I've used it quite frequently over time to test things out and to record my own Memoji minutes. So what you want to do is start with creating your own Memoji. So if you look down here at the dock, once you begin to scroll, you want to find the Animoji. So once you select the Animoji, as you can see, I have several already created to represent the characters that are in some of my messages. Yours will actually probably have a plus sign for new Memoji. So go ahead and press that. And this is just like any other avatar feature, but it gets pretty realistic, as you begin to design and know yourself. So you want to go through this and see, set your skin tones. You do have sliders, so you can get the exact tone that you're actually looking for, and that's with any of the applications. It has anything from beauty spots to cheeks for makeup, your hairstyles or whatever the case may be that you actually want to add in here. Give myself a little kid afro right now. Your eyebrows, even has eyebrow piercing, eyeshadow, forehead marks. I'm sorry, the eyeshadow will be under the eyes. But regardless, you have your eyes that you can actually shape to match your particular eyes. Like I said, eyelashes and the eyeshadow. This is up to you. This is where the fun actually is in creating your Memoji character. And you go through all those different options from nose, mouth, ears, to your facial hair, eyewear, and your headwear. Remember, you can change the color of any of those items by choosing the color buttons, selecting the color palette to get additional colors as well, and then sometimes using the slider in order to get the exact color that you actually want. And I want to let you know that what's important about the last piece is the headwear. Excuse me, because your headwear is actually going to determine the clothes that your Memoji wears when using them as stickers. So when you're satisfied here, you go ahead and press done. And show you what I mean by the stickers here. I've got my character here, but the icon next to the Animoji are stickers. And if you notice on my new character that I have here, I chose brown as the headwear, and that's also going to be the exact color of the clothing that I actually wear as well. So let's go ahead and jump back over to the Animojis, and we'll record a little something so you can show you the next step. So the next step is actually to record. You'll then begin to notice the red record button at the bottom right. Once you press that, you'll notice that you'll have 30 seconds to record. Now keep in mind the front camera records all your facial expressions. So as you move your head, and you'll notice this as you're designing your Memoji as well. Anytime you move your eyes, you widen your eyes, the more you open up your mouth, the more it will catch those particular features when you're trying to articulate. It doesn't lip read very well, but you get the gist of it. And like I said, as you turn up and down, it'll catch that as well. So 30 seconds is up. It'll replay what it is that you recorded. If you like it, you go ahead and hit send. If you don't, you can hit trash. But like I said, if you do or are satisfied, go ahead and hit send, and it'll send it as a text message of a 30-second recording that you just completed. And you'll notice it up in here in a second coming through my text messages. Voila. And it will automatically be muted. So step 3 now is to share your message, your Memoji message, either by sending it to your computer for additional editing or send it directly to various platforms. And I'll show you how to do that. So you see my last message here in my text thread. I'm going to click it. It's going to automatically start playing, but I want to hit pause, and then I want to hear the share button here. And this is where I actually have all of my different share options. And as you can see, I can easily airdrop it directly to my MacBook Pro. It's easiest for me, so I can use my favorite software. Or I can actually save the video to my photo gallery and send it from there directly. Or if I'm completely satisfied with my message and I don't want to do anything else to it, I can share it via email, different social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook, or even Instagram. Or, if you're using some chat groups like Messenger or Slack, GroupMe, whatever the case is, you can send those messages directly there also. And that is it. It's that simple. And that's how you create, record, and save your Memoji messages. It's that easy. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, peace.